Hi friends! Okay, kenapa I'm so excited? Okay, Adlina Azmi here, licensed financial planner. Jom realisasikan your retirement lifestyle. Okay, I got news. If you have been listening dekat, follow my social media apa semua, something, Dr Adam is having his live event, MLU, Money Level Up. Okay, so apa benda lah money level up ni? Okay, it's something. Okay, kalau I have benefited daripada joining MYR, Master Your Riches. So benda ni, confidence, investing my money, my investment, tolong orang lain pun invest and manage apa semua. Okay, you kata, alah, I ni licensed financial planner, boleh lah. Bukan saja I punya classmates, friends from the MYR pun, Master Your Riches pun have benefited, they have grown. Okay, dia punya confidence, and I rasa confident to retire in less than 10 years. Kalau you pun nak rasa confident, you pun nak manage your money better, sebab sekarang rat race, inflasi, belagai-belagai semua, oh my god. I want to see you do well as well. So click in the link below, join me on a 2.5 day program from 23rd 2 p.m. Friday dekat sini until Sunday. Okay, memang I want you to be committed and I want to see you. Kita nak become better is not 1 hour 10 minutes punya video. No. Kalau you are serious, let me ask you again, if you are serious in improving your finances and you want to, in your future, you want to retire early ke, you want to be better and have less worries on money, you need to join this program, MLU, Money Level Up, from 23rd at 2 p.m. Friday until 25th Sunday. Alright, I want to see you there. Alright, click in the link below, grab your tickets now. It is very limited, okay? I takut kalau you tunggu 1 week or 2 weeks or even a few days before the program, there won't be any more tickets. So, click the link below quickly and grab your tickets now. Be confident of your future. Till next time, see you!